latest guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Lauki Kadhi. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of Lauki or bottle gourd which I have peeled and chopped into small pieces, about 3 to 4 cups of water, salt to taste, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1/4 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 1 small chili chopped, about 3 cloves of chopped garlic and a small piece of ginger which I have chopped, 2 sprigs of curry leaves which I have roughly chopped, 1½ teaspoons of turmeric, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. To make the curry, put a pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions and curry leaves, give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions get a light brown color. Add chopped Lauki or bottle gourd, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it well, put a lid on and cook it for 15 minutes or until the Lauki is cooked, stirring it twice during cooking. While waiting for the Lauki to cook, let's get the spices ready. You can either grind these in a mortar and pestle or in a grinder. Take your grinder jar and add your fennel seeds, mustard seeds, garlic, ginger, chili and coconut and grind it to a fine paste. If you find that the mixture is dry, just add 2 tablespoons of water while grinding and take it out in a small dish. Take a big dish, add yogurt and besan or chickpea flour and mix it well using a whisk. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and give it a mix. Add water and mix it again. You can add 3 cups of water if you want your curry to be thick, or if you want a thin consistency, then add 4 cups of water. Now add your ground spices and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well to combine. And put this aside while we wait for the Lauki to finish cooking. My Lauki has been cooking for 15 minutes. Now mix the yogurt mixture and add it to the Lauki curry. Give it a mix and cook it for 15 minutes or until the curry thickens slightly, stirring it continuously. After 15 minutes, taste your salt. You can add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My Lauki curry is ready. You can eat it with roti or rice. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.